Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, so there's no voice over.
Shit.
No voice. It's no.
Can you hear me?
I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, yeah.
And I can hear you on YouTube, by the way.
Do you hear the YouTube?
Yeah, probably I was.
Can you
No,
hear
I
the
don't.
YouTube?
No, I don't hear it.
Me neither.
Nice
Look
one.
at the trade what Will took here. With the that was the stop loss above the high
When was this?
previous candle. Huh?
Yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. He took basically the same trade that I took, but I took it off of the candle closure or almost something inside this wick. I took it
So you did take
when
a
I.
trade afterwards, right?
Bro, this is my first trade yesterday. We ran these lows.
No real good spot to
Ah,
trade
okay,
in.
okay, okay. This is the first trade.
Just
Yeah, right.
yeah. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. He did take this trade and he couldn't fucking trail. And when he wanted to trail, it didn't. For some reason, Ninja Trader crashed for him or something. He wanted to trail for 3R. At this point, he's up like 6 or 7R or five something. He has his stop loss above the candle. Um, which candle? The candle. The candle which has where his entry is basically inside. So it's a very tiny stop loss. Ah, you can see it, bro. Yeah, it's here.
Yeah, I can see it.
Nice.
Look at this. Look at he's up 10R
Whoa,
right there.
whoa, whoa.
10R. And he didn't trail above that way. Yeah, right there. He didn't drop it.
No
So
trail, though.
he was like,
Come on.
I mean, there is no real trail, to be honest, yes, for him. But there he could, actually, at this point. Uh, but a good one would have been on this 30-second opening range, above it or
I
something.
should've dropped like a 98
That would
when I
have been
saw it.
7R for him.
Mm-hmm.
He basically he was up more than 10R, and it turned out to be a break even because of
I'm sure you saw me hovering 98.
he couldn't trail on it, and also Ninja Trader just bugged and didn't drop his trail on 3R. Fuck. But he made 12 at the end of the day, but yeah,
I could maybe drop a 17. Still
could have
lost,
made
but would've
19 or
been locked in
something
if I dropped 17.
easily.
Bro, this OBS studio is
17
nice.
locks in 5R.
Is what?
Kinda wanna give it
It's
space.
nice. I'm getting better at it.
Cool. That's nice. And what did you improve right now?
Here.
So I was
Probably
able to
17.
align you perfectly, just showing enough of your chart that is required. Your tools are not supposed to be visible.
So
It does
sitting here
not make
fucking
sense.
annoyed that Discord's not working.
And then like
Mhm.
yeah,
Half out that shit.
like just go on YouTube and
I
check.
was trying to lock 98, but I was too
Awesome.
slow.
Cool, cool, cool. There's nothing on the weekly here, right? Oh, there
No.
is. There is this weekly wick which I could easily just use. But no, because that's like inside this order block.
If I get to
Yeah, I had everything marked
I'm
perfectly.
gonna
I know.
lock in
I
28 though
just
to
kind of making shit up
get
here.
at least 3 hours.
No, I
of
have
this.
this marked
It's not
properly.
really
Yeah, I can use all these the
great,
daily, I
but
believe. Even though we have this wick to work with,
hello. I
it's
literally
basically
dropped
this
it.
monthly
I picked up my thing on my
candle,
mouse. Excuse me.
which we are using the order block of. So it's yeah. Is it overlapping?
Okay, so my whole computer's not working today.
To be honest, I'm not
Discord
sure.
audio trailing my stop. Excuse me.
Bro, I can hear Will trailing my stop.
You can hear, I can't hear.
I can hear him.
This is ridiculous.
What the fuck? How can you hear him and I can't? Crazy. Okay, yeah, I am right on the levels. We'll just post it these levels. Yeah, I am right. We have this monthly, and then we have the daily volume imbalance and this daily wick that he uses. That's all. And that's
Now,
tiny daily.
after that happened, price
something
came
that
back up to
I
the
didn't
top
see that, but that's very
of
fucking
the
tiny. It's kind
semi-opening
of
range. So
like
at this point, this came all the way
non-existent.
down through it.
Yeah,
This came all the way back up
it's
through it.
using
At this
Pause,
point,
Will.
it
this
needs
as
to
well.
hold above it in order for today
Pause, Will.
Huh?
Pause, Will. I can hear him talking.
Bruh. So
Cool, I don't hear shit. But this is a very good
point, price came all
educational
the way
video
down through the
actually.
opening range and all
If
the
you
way
want to
back up.
listen to it,
At this
it's on
point,
YouTube.
for price to be
Just
trending on
posted
this
it.
particular day, you need to be staying above the semi-opening range. This price action starts holding, it starts holding. Come all the way back down, it's more likely to be choppy. It does not do that. And look what it's holding on top of. It's holding on top of 44. So what is this
Okay.
beautiful information
Can I?
for?
No, I
This
can't go
sets in motion
downstairs for a
PDR.
coffee.
This whole range of
Alright,
prices
this is it.
sitting on 44
That's
right
it.
here. This sets into motion your PDR to
Let
get
me
up
just-
into 26,141 as a potential target. So what does that mean? That means you have a PDR, like I just said, motherfuckers. So that means you go from 44.25 right here with your PDR all the way up to 141.50. Okay. Drop this like so.
359.
Dash it up. Bam, bam. Cool.
50.
So look,
Good stuff.
price is holding below
Hey,
58.
gap. It was already
This
retested,
is the
so
liquidity sweep level. This is important.
actually you
that
can
you're
just
only below
run.
58. This is
Just like
sketchy.
always.
This whole range is sketchy. Do not take trades in this range. Why? Because you do not know if,
Yeah.
and let me just
Cool.
double down
We ran
in
lows.
general. But you, in this particular moment, you don't know if you're
It's being
just going
retested.
low
I believe we just
to go
shoot
low,
in 1 minute. Just shoot
or
straight
if
for
it's
new
above
highs.
44. So if
488.
price breaks out and touches here and
There's
holds
nothing to stop this
right
shit.
here, above 58, this is when you could start to look for a trade. Okay. Price holds above 58, pops higher, trades down. It's holding 58.
Shoot for
Now,
566.50.
This is telling you
Let's
that
see.
this is not a
That's the
liquidity
plan.
sweep, and you're very likely to run this high. Does that understand? Watch the reading price action videos. Watch the boot camp.
Okay. So there was
So
a
what do we look
pump.
for? Well, look for this wick right here, motherfucker. Okay. Boom. And this is the next trade that I take. We hold
I
the
kinda wanna
PDR level.
draw a
right here,
PDR
58. That means we're likely
between
to go
these
to 50.
two
We're holding above
levels.
58, the liquidity sweep. That means we're likely to go run this high. We're
59,
holding 44.
50.
That means we're likely to go run in 141. We have an internal liquidity sweep with this low. Also,
Let's see what
running,
happens.
the bigger lows earlier.
Bro,
in the day.
switch
Everything
off
is great.
Will's
Setup. Boom.
broadcast.
Close above the halfway
Oh,
point.
sorry.
Long
I don't hear it.
close up. Break the house.
Where is it? On YouTube. Yeah, okay. Alright. Oh, because it's a 1.5. Okay. So this is like till 14. Okay. Yeah, finally I have the correct levels. Awesome. Okay. 15.25.
Okay. So I wanted to try this. Bro, this new update is crazy.
What is?
They
What?
finally named these tools L and S. Do you see that?
No, let me, I missed one level, which I gotta mark first. And then I'm with you completely, okay?
No worries. I missed the level
It's
2 at
just
my
a
entry.
very, very tiny level. I did miss it, unfortunately. It's like a point and a tick. 1.1 tick. That's the volume imbalance on the daily, like back from all-time highs. But that's about it. It's like nothing. But whatever. And yeah, I was correct. He used this one, which is cool that I saw this 96.25. Yeah. I really don't have shit to do basically on this. Um, we didn't trade the daily, so I believe we're gonna trade this daily level, and we'll see what happens off of that. I thought we did trade into the daily, but we did not. Did miss that thing. Yeah, it might be coming here shortly. So we have this PDR, which just half of it rejected from like 59.50 to this tiny volume imbalance 614. So yeah. Probably here we go for a test.
What happened to your screen?
1 second. I need a single tick into this daily to be able to play it.
I want
Reverses.
364 taken out. If that is taken out and if we have a reversal, then I'd be interested. And 345 would be like a very ideal situation, but probably it could make equal lows with it.
Yeah. I only need this daily level to read into, and then if we reverse from here, like where would we like look for anything? Like basically, what is the low of the day? Don't really
So
need to monitor,
I
but
don't.
this is
I
45. Yeah, was your okay.
I still feel like we are in a very bearish trend, like trend is your friend kind of thing. But I just want to see some slight retracements. Like I want maybe 329.25 taken out, which is the 15-minute equal lows. And after that, we will be in a 4-hour fair value gap from where if we get a reversal, I'd be very much interested in longing it towards 488.
Yeah, you're right. I was very
And
close.
566. But I want some liquidity pools to be taken out first.
Yeah, 29.25 looks decent.
Yeah, 29.25 is the, like, if we are bearish, then I believe that's the drawn liquidity as of now.
Yeah. Okay. Correct. Very correct. You're correct, brother. You are correct.
So these shots I'm just tape reading over here, like on the 1 minute after this 925 candle got inversed, we had some sweeps towards the upside. There was this 15-minute fair value gap over there. So multiple confluences, I was pretty convinced that it should go down. I did not like, I wanted to press the button, but I wasn't so confident. But I'm just looking at it right now. So far it seems to be playing. I have, like, my total RR would be 2.81 if I would have been in it. And I want 345 and 329 to be taken out. That is like the bare minimum. Only then I can start looking for longs.
Mm-hmm.
364 is the minor internal low, so that has been taken out. All right. probably we are leaving the
That's
Asian.
not a sweep though. That's not a 15-minute sweep though at all. I guess just one of, yeah, it's like one of these.
Yeah, the 15-minute swept, that was the 15-minute low. And right now we are reversing, which seems on the 30-second there is a inversion that already happened.
I don't really like it yet,
Yeah,
but this could move and make new highs.
so
Maybe I have
probably
no idea.
it's not like a plus scenario for me, but I would give it like a B or something like that, because
Yeah,
the Asian
hey,
low and the 329 is so nearby. So since yesterday, after such an expansive move, we have not really retraced a lot. All right. Currently, we are the nearest fair value gap on the 4 hour was closing at 337.50. So we have mitigated that entirely, but I want to see a little pullback towards this 345, and then a reversal would be amazing. Or maybe we could go entirely bearish from here, at least.
anything's possible, but
Anything
need
is
confirmation.
possible till 102. 102 is the nearest liquidity after basically on a higher time frame. If we look at the liquidity, it's 102.25.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Everything else is in on like the 15-minute.
Okay. We have equal highs on the 15-minute as of right now. Really
Yeah.
nice ones. Like the complete high, and also this one is equal with this one right now. So we have very good upside targets. By the way, I wouldn't really mind making equal lows. We're like, look, I wouldn't really mind making equal lows. We made a couple equal lows here as well. We can make like sort of equal lows. I mean, these wouldn't even count in the 15 minutes as equal lows left. Maybe a little bit, not really, really. And if this way we can run like 566, maybe all-time highs, then now we're gonna have targets to run later. I believe if we can close this wick, it's on. Let's see. Then maybe we run those equal lows. Who knows? Let's see. I just don't really mind if we don't.
That was insane.
Hmm?
That was insane.
Yeah, it was scary. So just like, yesterday, we had the same type of movement off of the open.
Yeah, we
I was
still
in
did
that
not
trade.
take
Yeah.
the 345 or the 329.
Oh, we're inside this on this daily opening gap that we have today. 52, 59.50. Let's see if we can lose this level. If we lose the level, then it's like closure below would mean continuation trades, I guess. I'm a little worried about that. I wanna be bullish. When do we turn bearish, actually, on the day? Completely. I believe I will turn very bearish below like 232.75 being lost. What do you think? Like this monthly getting lost would mean like 36.50, which would give you like 103, which you were talking about. And below 103, I guess we get down to like these 26,000, like 20, 25.9 and shit. 25.85. Yeah.
So a body closure below 364.50 on the 15 minute might be a little bearish for me.
364.50.
Yeah, if the candle, if the body closes below it on the 15 minute.
15 minutes, okay.
Yeah,
It's very range bound at this point.
but I don't think so it is happening, but you never know.
50 seconds. Oh, below the previous week low. Previous
Yeah.
swing low.
It did not take the Asian low yet. It just made equal lows and then like so I am pretty confident that like it has to go down 329. That
I
is
don't know, I'm not. I'm not so confident on that. Based on how bullish we are, non-stop. Oh. Er. Oh. This wick is invalid. MNQ wick here. The NQ did close it. And close back below. Huh. View might just lost on that actually. Retest of thingy. Maybe. I'm not sure. Actually, it's pretty surprising. Look at this.
Hmm.
Isn't this one surprising? We made this low. We made it like sort of a higher low over here. Didn't run this low. And off of something like this, we didn't run this high. It's surprising to me at least. At least like a wick above or something, you know? It's very eventful open. I want to make a coffee, bro, but the moment I leave, it's gonna do something. But keep me updated with the chart. I'm gonna go downstairs and make a
Yeah,
coffee.
something
Okay?
happens and let you know. Right now it's a chop. Go make yourself a coffee.
Yeah, just tell me if something happens, like like 29.75 runs or the daily candle, daily level closes below or something. Then I go back up immediately. Oh my god, I have some weed here downstairs in the kitchen. It's crazy how smelly it is. That's one. Amen. The door side. Indian guys are so nice, brother. I delivered the package to an Indian dude,
Mm. And
and I asked him if we could come downstairs to take the package, basically, because I didn't have like a place to park at the moment. He was like, sure, coming, brother, coming, no problem. He came downstairs like very fast and everything, smiling. Hello, brother, hello. I was like, hi. There is like another Indian dude who lives the next building next to him, and he always comes downstairs for the package. He always takes it downstairs. Like, don't really have to like get out of the car. He gives him the package, and I told this to him that he's so cool. I liked his attitude and everything. He was like, "Bro, ex-person is the best, but you know why? Because
what?
you speak fluent English with me. It's just the easiest. It's the best." And I was like, "Okay, man, cool. I like it. Nice. I'm glad. So you guys are nice, genuine."
I appreciate you saying that, bro. I was
You
I was
scam people with as well.
I was seeking for that validation as an Indian from you, man.
What? What
I
did
was
you?
seeking for that validation from you, my brother.
See?
Yeah.
But you guys also scam people. So it's a two-sided coin. But we discussed this before. Like, if we were in India, we would do the same. Yeah. I mean, scamming like a couple $100 a day, Indian rupees. In Indian rupees, that's a lot,
It's
right?
a lot,
That's
man.
it.
$100 is like 9,500 rupees. And now 9,500 rupees, the amount of
Good
shit
for a
that you
week
can
or
do over
something,
there.
right? You
I
can eat
can
for a week. Bro.
You can eat for a week, bro. So basically, if it's just you, a single person,
Yeah.
you can eat for a
Uh-huh.
month
Holy shit. I mean, but I'm talking about like outside grabbing some meals
till 2 weeks.
or.
So on an average, let's say if you're not eating anything fancy, per meal you can spend like per day you can spend like 500 rupees.
Mhm.
So divided by 9,000.
Whatever, are
That's
you
like
calculating this?
19 days, bro. You can eat for 19 days.
That's very decent of $100. Brother, we gotta like move to India if the trading works. Like shit.
India,
Like,
India is
imagine
still a spot,
just
bro.
hitting
Like
like a basic.
if you're earning in dollars or like any other currency, right? Then like India is crazy. All right, so finally 29, 25 was taken out.
Yeah.
What I actually wanted to see, and if we
Like if you go
reverse
trend
from
or not.
yeah, if we reverse from here and we create a V shape something, then like I'll be very confident in
Same thing.
longing towards 488.
Same shit. Same shit.
Yeah. But if not, then 102 is coming.
Are you really think like if not we get 103?
Yeah, 102.25.
That is very fucking low.
Yeah, that's very
It's
low.
like yesterday's range. The whole yesterday, like
That's half of yesterday.
half,
Half of
ah,
yesterday's range.
like 2/3. Look at this. That's like two. I mean, I can show you. Make a PDR. PDR helps. So like 2/3 is at 45. That's 75% of it. And 103, yeah, it's in between. What is that? Like 65% of yesterday's range.
Yeah.
And that would mean we kind of top out before we make new highs. Before we like make new all-time highs. I mean, we'll see. We did not retest the daily though.
So another thing that we have to
Hmm.
keep in mind is that this candle does not have a wick on the
15 minutes.
yeah,
Does it?
yeah.
It's a small. No, it doesn't have a
That's
tiniest wick on
I guess that's
NQ.
on NQ
NQ
there's
zero.
no NQ there's no wick, but yeah.
I believe we're gonna pull back to the daily, uh, and we'll see if this 15-minute rejects or not. I don't wanna really get longed. Oh my fucking god, what is happening? I'm kinda suspect. it's this candle is still suspect, but this is like really stretched out to just reverse from here. Like this next 5 minute candle should like push all the way back to like I don't even know, like 26 330s or something for me to consider going long like fast. Oh my fucking god.
So
Well,
the 4 hour closes, which is closing in 5 minutes. If it closes to below 251, then I'd like to take shots into consideration. But I want the 4 hour to close below it. Or maybe
my brother, we're gonna just run there right now. I don't know what's happening here. It's flipping. It's very bearish. Like that's wow. Okay. But I'd be surprised if we just died all the way to 100 to whatever, 2600 and the next level. All right, so we pop here a little bit. Let's see.
that was a bump.
This is the halfway point between the monthly level, 38, and the daily level, which we did not retest. Did not retest. Holy shit, okay. And the 50-minute did not close yet.
Still have like 3.5 minutes more.
I mean, if we're gonna go back up just like this, how we came down, we're gonna make money on this for sure. Ah, it's not happening. Just wigged out. It feels like a bearish day so far, a little bit. But there's some hope from here, and from this area. To be honest, if we start closing below this current low, I think it's dead. We're gonna have a red day. Or at least a red session for us until noon. What do you think?
Uh, so the higher time frame levels definitely say it's bullish, but like I have been expecting some retracement today because from past 3 days we have just been pushing higher and higher. So
You, so you agree?
some retracement makes sense if I could get some trade towards the short side. I will definitely not eliminate it, but I
You,
would still like to
yeah.
be a part of the reversal, like back to the top.
Well, you might not get it in until noon.
Yeah, probably we might not.
So we're gonna look at the shorts. I mean, I don't want to look at shorts until we take out this current low that we have, because
So
yeah.
even if I want to consider shorts, I want to see some more price action. Like this is not
Hmm.
enough for me.
Yeah, I don't want to get into a short as we might just reverse from here and make a V-shaped recovery type play.
Yeah.
But the way we rejected is kind of interesting. Like we couldn't even retest liquidity off of that pushback up. Okay, 4 seconds for this close. Set the bearish will be. Oh, when it pushes up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So, what are we gonna do here? Reject on this wick and die or not?
I don't think so.
I
So
sort of wanna see, like how I would turn super bearish if we go back up here and can't really get above this thing and lose this, like somewhere over
so
here, I would be very, very bearish at this point.
my point
If
is
we,
that like the 4 hour has mitigated this H4, and we are above the mean threshold of the 4 hour. Okay.
yeah,
And the
there's
new
respect
candle is
there.
about to open in like 13 seconds or so. So probably this new candle open could take this low, and then a reversal would be like a very good trade. Let's see, I don't know yet.
We inversed the surviving up of yours
Yeah. So this
if
is
you
the
want to
new
be bullish.
this is the new 4 hour candle opening.
Okay.
Yeah. Even if it takes the low of this, so not even like this is what would be like an ideal situation. If it takes the low, a reversal with a V shape, then the longs would be really good. But again, that is an ideal situation. I don't really know.
I don't know. I feel like very bearish at that point. If we begin the retake the low, well, we'll see. We'll see. Because we just ran lows. Like we don't really need to take more in theory, but we
Yeah.
can't really regain those 29, 25s. But I don't really feel like those are like that 25, 29, 25 is like a so impactful area. As of like, it's not like a lot of liquidity, you know. It's just some sideways bisection on the 15 minute, like barcoding, and not like this, you know. So let's see. We swept this high, internal highs, and nothing happened. Half of it holds, very sure we reject. Okay, which side? Let's see. I can't be bearish yet, but I will be below 91.50. If I'm being honest, if we get above this wick, I can take longs. I would like to take longs if we close above the wick.
Uh,
I just need a closure above it. We didn't retest this daily. And if we get up to the daily and we don't reject off of it, this is super easy, 408. Also just a new high. Getting to 500 is super easy. So if we get that, I'm long. Just this wick getting closed. If we can close that at all.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसे हैं भाई?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह भाई, आप बताओ।
कोई कुछ नहीं, वो रमला में आपको उसके लिए फोन कर रहे थे जरूर।
हाँ सर, भाई मैं तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ फोन पे टाइम। हाँ मैं उसको कॉल करके बात करता हूँ कि द टाइम लाइन फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग and it takes a lot of time and effort to prepare for the shoot for you. So हाँ वही डब करने के बाद इतना किया तो हाँ भाई, मैंने देखा अभी तुम्हारे को 3 हो गए हैं। ये जो लास्ट वाला मैसेज चाहिए उसके डॉक्यूमेंट पे एक बार वेरीफाई कर लो, फिर मैं उसको भी 2 हेड दे दे रहा हूँ। तो 3 इनवॉइस है। हाँ पूरे 31st वाला मेरे पास 3 इनवॉइस है। हाँ बोलो। हाँ चलो ठीक है। वैसे मैंने देखा बनाया है उसमें, मैं तुम्हें भेजता हूँ उसके साथ। हाँ 31 मार्च से है सब। ठीक है मैं भेज रहा हूँ, चेक करो। राइट Okay, so you are in the law.
Hopefully getting away with it.
I really want to be, but I don't see anything yet. Like, I have this major value gap over here.
This should have been my entry, half of the wick, in theory, but I use the system in a way that I don't care. This would be the free trade, now being break even on it, but I can't get break even with this type of system, but I don't care. I'm not optimizing for that. I'm rather losing on it than trying these time stops. So let's see. I want to see the daily at least. If we get to the daily, to be honest, I want to be break even. If we touch the daily, I'm break even. We're not really expanding here, really, but in theory we could. We're above the sweep. We're back above like the low of the day we had. If we touch the daily, I am gonna go break even. I don't see why not. This is a spot, yes. So I want to be break even here, and if we can run, I make a lot of fucking R. If we can run higher than this daily. If this daily rejects, I might turn very fucking bearish to get to like the 25% PDR and the 103 that you mentioned, which is very low, but it's possible if we can reject a spot like this.
Yeah. So I want to see a closure above 357.25 for me to get into it.
Yeah, that's even more confirmation. I know.
Yeah. So that would be like an ideal entry for me.
That would be like a complete confirmation almost. Like 59.50 is the high of that daily.
Yeah, the other good thing is like it would still be the discount. So yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Alrighty. Kind of stalling on this candle. Let's see what had like 10 seconds. Okay, we take the high. No, NQ did not take the high on this previous candle yet. Okay, right now it took the high of it. Alright. So I'm risking the correct amount, I believe. I hope, at least. Let me see. I'm risking $480. So right now it's just the market got decide the bullish momentum is with me for sure, based off of the past week or 2 weeks. So, and did we run? No, like it's how much? Like we still did not run the 15-minute candle, but we can reject this daily. That's what I'm afraid of a little bit, but let's see. Let's see. If rejected, it can turn very bearish.
Basically, immediate rebalance at this point.
Oh, 15-minute?
Uh, so the price is
I
not.
would, yeah, I would categorize that as immediate rebalance still,
Yeah.
but not that. I maybe the four. No, not the 4 hour. So I don't trail there.
Where's your stop?
This is a break even.
Oh,
It's
okay.
just not visible, but it's on a complete
Okay,
break
okay.
even. Maybe if it slips a couple points, I'll like fuck it. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care. But this is turning very bearish at this point. I'm turning very bearish on the day. If I wasn't in a trade, then I would look for some shorts setting up like when we lose this tiny fair value gap or this wick here that we just created. If we lose that wick, close the wick, or retest this wick, then I would maybe look for a short. But I believe we can still wick up into this doji candle. It's a little suspect to me, this doji candle. We might run it. Or at least run into it, retesting the daily here and then reject. And if this one half of it holds, then I'm golden. So let's see. Or if it doesn't come back at all, then I like it. I just want to see it above the half of this. We don't have a wick on the bottom of this 1 minute candle, bro. It feels suspect. But right now we held the half. We're just ticking down to the half of it and it's holding.
Okay, so if this candle closes, then I will be probably interested in it.
It's
So
not, bro. It's rejecting as far. Alright, maybe not. We just closed, but it's still. Yeah, like I want to see the half of this hold. And then it's okay. I believe a stock market entry for you at 65.25 is the one to use. 66.25, my bad. New high, basically. Right now, it's, I mean, you can see my chart. I know it's not your system, but, or maybe down here trying some longs on the one pushes down a little bit. But we have this up candle is a little suspect, right? No wick on the bottom of it or something. I don't want to influence your decision. I guess you should be in a trade in theory, but this is a big fair value gap.
I have entered already. So
If we break that wick high, this week high, then re-break that high,
my
then it's nice.
entry is like 59.25.
I just don't like the fact that we stop here.
I'm placing my stop at 26.50.
You're in. Okay.
Yeah, I'm already in.
I just fear this daily rejecting a little bit, but I don't care. Okay, so that's looking good. That is looking good. We just accepted back into this complete huge range of what 487.50 is the target probably of something like this, and it's pretty much showing that it's running as hell. Okay, very nice. So I believe I can easily get 5R out of this trade with some little patience. So that's like first internal liquidity to run. Oh my fucking god, what is that? MNQ, you see MNQ? You see MNQ. NQ did not do that though.
NQ did the same. I am on NQ as well. I am on NQ.
Not the same. Not the same though.
Not the
You see the
same, but
difference?
yeah.
Like it's
It
eh,
took out. Yeah, not the same. You're right.
97.75 against NQ 86.50. It's like 11 points difference on that week. Crazy, man. Crazy. What the hell? We just gained the bullish show beyond this 15 minute and just dying off of it. Oh, brother. This is a little bearish. Crazy. Crazy. Are you gonna run this 340.50?
So
Did you take partials?
I did
In
not
theory,
take any, I did not take anything, bro.
don't you have to take partials on the first swing high, which is 95.75? Just
But
like
it
into,
did
by the
not.
way.
No, I'm trading RR.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
Actually, like we can't do anything here, so we just have to watch this either come back to break
Yeah.
even or.
I'm
So
watching.
let me show you what I was talking with AI yesterday. I just did what I said I would do
Okay.
with AI. You're gonna be interested for sure. So it's like, where is it? ChatGPT. Uh, this one. Yeah, I'm up like 1.7, 1 point something. Yeah, like I'm gonna look. I asked, I did ask this to
Mhm.
read the page that you said. This is that guide with the payout guide or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. You were going to
Okay.
tweak it as per your system.
Yeah, that's what I asked. This is just how he understands it. It's perfect how he
Mhm.
understands, and I did write him this one. How would you tailor my system to match the base idea of this article? I have the following results. Just 85% win, they win, which is not really accurate, I guess. But as of right now, it's okay. Like I only traded 7 days, but we'll see about like if I trade like 100 days, how it's gonna be. So
So what was the answer?
whatever.
I'm interested in the
The
answer.
answer is basically it's like it's worth it to do it for me, but it gets completely destroyed if the day win is getting reduced. So here's the comparison right over here. See, current system probably makes like 18K a month. Withdrawable would be 12 to 15K because the volatility in the system.
Uh,
So stability is lower in that case.
okay.
All right. So optimized one, which would be taking 2R every time and don't trade more. Slightly lower, it makes 14K a month ish with these results, like perfectly these results. And the withdrawable amount would be higher, like 1,000 or like higher or the same, basically.
Uh-huh.
But stability would be much higher. Like yesterday, I would have won, and on this trade, I would have won as well, right? He says like take 2 or 3R max, no more, and yeah. But uh, uh, yeah. So reality check is this one. I'm very bearish at
So,
this point, by the way.
go on your charts
Why? I
because
was seeing NQ. I saw NQ. I saw NQ. I just didn't see my MNQ trade, but I saw what happened. I I either trail here on 2.1 as this one reverses, or I trail over here, which is like 0.5 or so. It's okay, I guess. I could have trailed over this 1.5, but
No, it's alright. Break even is good.
yeah. I could have trailed 1.5 below this candle or something. After this got gained, I would have liked to see this one run and take this high. Uh, we didn't retest this one, so I believe I can still be bullish. I believe I can still be bullish on this. But it's just, don't you feel it? It's gonna just dump today. I kind of feel like I don't know. It's just intuition. For some reason, I feel like it's gonna dump today. But I don't really want to go against this trend, to be honest. We just immediate rebalance, by the way, which would give you the immediate next lows uh, of the range, like the leg, which would be this 288.75. Like in a quickly, you would produce that move. Like kind of doing that. Okay,
It does feel like it wants to die.
it does for you as well.
Yeah.
Like we left this gap open. I believe that gap should be left open in order for this one to just die. Let me give a little to my intuition here. I want to give in a little bit. We're losing the PDR as well here if we break this probably. Let me give in a little bit. One trade, no more. Just one motherfucker. We're below these. It's like I'll be in a sec. I don't love it. Okay. That was stupid. G didn't run off of that. Okay. I'm down 1 hour. I'm
Seriously?
down 1 hour. What seriously?
I
I
am
took a
trying
shot.
the shorts. I am trying the shorts too.
Yeah, but like we didn't retest the daily though. I just don't really want to see it back there. Oh, we have a suspect candle right there. Okay, that's the daily. I just want to see this daily reject, and then I'm all for the shorts. Where is your stop?
My stop is at 358. My entry is at 322.
322.
Yeah.
That's pretty low, but it might be good from here. Just saying, NQ did not retest above 46 if you check the chart. Like, what is going on with MNQ, by the way? Look at that, the difference. It's night and day right now in these markets. I don't know why. But we don't have liquidity in MNQ these days. Everybody trades NQ, or I don't know.
Oh, I'm still holding.
You might be fine, like, yeah, you might be fine. I just wanted to see it drop from where we got in.
Okay. I like this.
Or like this. I
This
didn't know.
I want this to close bearish, and then I like it even more.
Yeah, I guess. Like this up candle didn't have a wake below, so it was just on the bottom. I mean, I am bearish. Like, maybe I'm taking my last trade on this. If we close like in a bearish way, then I wanna do that. It's actually a little mad to go against this trend.
Yeah, it is.
But we did leave that fair value gap open, which makes me think we could do such a thing, dying all the way to like these 103s, maybe. Just a complete down day with like a reversal in the power hour or something. This week is suspect as fuck though. That we just left here, I believe. It's suspect. It's like a doji, whatever. Let's see the daily. Maybe that's where it gets all decided. This is the sweep holding in theory, right?
Yeah.
Which is a bullish thing. We got in below that. I got in actually off of the rejection of the sweep, but it got ran over next candle. So right now we're trying to hold, or range or whatever this is. You know, I would turn bearish and maybe short if we start doing something like this, like slowing down here too much. Then maybe we get something like that break. Yeah. Right now I'm sitting on my hands for now.
Well,
I want to get long if we regain 59.50. And I want to get short if we start losing these lows. Or retesting the daily and start failing off of it. So basically any position uh, is going to be taken off of this daily level inside this range. Oh my fucking god! What is that MNQ candle, bro? What is happening, man?
what the fuck?
Something's wrong with MNQ. Like, what is this? We wigged up to 80, and NQ wigged up to 54, 55. And I believe this is a kind of a bearish one. Let's see if we hold like 45s, then I'm interested in shorts. Then I'm interested in the shorts. But I don't know what the fuck is this. I have no clue what the fuck was that. Holy shit. So are we gonna go? Okay. I believe I can fly. I believe this market is weird. To be honest, I don't really want to watch NQ because it's just so bullshit compared to NQ. So I'm only watching NQ.
So in NQ we took out the high of the left
I
hand.
don't. I don't care shit about that. MNQ. It's just it's bullshit per section. It's not real. It's just not real. We don't have a wick on the bottom of this candle though on NQ. Also, we had this inside candle on NQ, which we break out of right now. I'm taking the longs on a retest to this against this, and I hope I'm right. It's a little weird market.
Your stop loss is at a wrong place.
What?
Your stop loss seems to be at a wrong place because on NQ there is no wick below that candle.
You're so right. But what can I do right now? Nothing. I can get out of the trade here. Yeah, that's what I did. It's a B. Thank you for calling it out. I just hate that it's so different. So if we hold on this and make a new high, then I won't really care about that candle though. If we make a new high and retest 59.50, then or if we close this wick. You don't like, bro. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna switch because like this, yeah. All right. So I would be fine with this
So
trade.
I am still in the long. I entered at the closure of the inversion at 1 minute, the 10:16 candle, and I'll go break even once 86.50 has been swept.
You are break even. What the fuck, man?
I'm not break even it. I want to be break even at 86.25.
And I want to take a long here. Are you kidding me? Serious? Are you serious?
What happened?
Price just missed 59 or 50. My entry.
Oh,
Okay, and right now it takes it, and I'm getting break. Stop that. Watch. Just watch. Watch me getting cooked on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. God damn it. God fucking damn it, bro. I hate this. I hate this shit. I'm so frustrated about this. And MNQ is just wicking all over the place, bro.
I took one contract on NQ. MNQ is bad.
Yeah, it is.
So you're down 2 hours.
I know, bro. Like, and it still works. Like, I'm super mad. Like, God damn
I'll
it.
go break even above 86.
Where the fuck should I place my stop loss, man? Like 38 or what? And to be honest, right now we just closed above the wick.
Okay.
It's gonna run up eventually. In this 15-minute candle, probably. This is the run right here. Of this 15-minute candle. I screwed up. I wanted to take off the try, but it was, at least for me, it was fine. I wanted to try. Like the thing is, we didn't even sweep this properly. Like we took out 49.50 there and didn't really take the low, which the candle low, which doesn't have a wick on the bottom. This could be an entry here. Maybe this is, I don't know. Are we making equal highs here, or what is happening? Like,
But you are
oh,
at -2 hour.
I know, I know,
So you
I
can
know,
trade read, but you cannot take a trade.
I know.
Uh,
Also,
I know you know. I'm just reminding you. We tend to forget things like this.
yeah, because after you get fucked over, and then you see the good move, which actually plays out normally, usually,
Oh,
then you tend to take that third trade, right? So you want to take it. But if that third trade fails, by the way, after you break the rule and it fails, it's just over for your mind, and you just blow the account, right?
that's
At least
human.
that's how I am. If I break a rule once, then the second time will be very easy to break it again because it's already broken, right?
That's what. It's not
Yeah.
just you, it's all of us. Okay.
So that's why I want to stop right now, because this move is good. I believe I just took it with a, maybe my stop was too tight. So my stop should be placed
So I
same
gave you
way.
the information that 47 the 1028 candle does not have a wick. So definitely your stop should have been below that. I don't know why did you place it below that low.
I was
Then
expecting just a bump all the way to new high here. Like what else to do? Like why? Like I didn't see a reason for this happening here. That's why I got stopped out. Uh, yeah, I'm really mad at myself trying this short right over here. That's why I can't take this long over here. Yeah,
mhm.
I should be in this, being break even as of right now.
I'm break even right now.
I should be in this trade like this with this stop loss, just like that.
So just like yesterday, it could come all the way back, stop me out, sweep a couple of lows, and then like reverse again.
The market is not as strong as it was the past few days. That's for sure. Like yesterday, off of something like this, we've been way up to like 410s in couple minutes. So this is quite different one. I'm not saying we're gonna reverse or anything, but we might just turn into a range bound market here today. We're not gonna like push new all-time highs today or tomorrow or whatever. So I would be break even on this and probably be getting break even. We just swept the high. No wick on the top of this candle though. Suspect. Also,
The
there's people
other
losing
thing
the.
is that the 9:45 15-minute candle also does not have a wick, which gives me some sort of an conviction that it has to go to there. That is like a good liquidity pool.
Yeah, the market just turned there on a dime. Yeah, never retested. Yeah.
I'm at
We are
break.
creating these. They are creating these trending equal lows here. It's very slow after like a break, so I might just run lows. It might happen. Oh, so we never took this 15-minute high. Bullish OB. See?
Yeah.
I was under the impression we took it because we did on NQ. MNQ. Hi. Come on. And I would be break even. Seriously. Like, oh my god. Okay. Great. Where are you? Where did you get in? On 62 or where?
59.25, and I'm still at break even.
But you got in 59.25 at like 10:30 or on like 11:10s? When did you get into this trade? Didn't you get in at 10:12 or like
10:20,
10:30? 10:20 something, 28,
at 29 actually.
29. Oh, okay. Because you took a long on 10:10 as well, right? Somewhere
Yeah.
over here.
Why 10:10? Yeah, 10:10 for sure. But then like I did get into it and I got break even.
All right, all right. I was hoping on this that maybe, I guess, a tiny sweep and turn. I don't know. Especially because this candle didn't have a wick, but it just came back all the way to stop me out over here. Well, such as life. What the fuck are we doing here? Seriously. Running a high and stopping for, I don't know, some gasoline to run higher.
I'm at break even. It still did not take me out. Probably it will.
You're good.
I don't know. Let's see.
I think you're This is very decent.
If it closes above 390.50, then yeah, probably I'm good. But until then, it's still a gray area. We've been on.
I should have just left this as is and don't care as long like that and don't care about it. But it was tight. I should be in a winning long position with this stop loss, to be honest, right, Pablo?
Yes, because you messed up your stop, bro. Like you have to note it down because I mentioned it very clearly. There's a candle without a wick over there. So theoretically speaking, your stop definitely should be below the other candle which had a wick. I don't know why did you place it at that new low. So that is kind of a mistake that you did.
Yeah.
You still would have been in this trade because your uh
Yeah. Like here I go break even on this break and this didn't reach my BE,
that's
so
what. Your analysis was on point. Your
it's
bias was on point.
probably it probably would give me this 5R. Yeah. Probably more, to be honest. 6 to 8. Let's
So
see.
I moved my stop loss at 61 because that's the only low that I see.
Hmm. Now it's the expansion.
Yeah.
I don't see why it wouldn't. I screwed up again.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's gonna be. You can just hold this until fucking new highs on the day. Nothing to stop it, in theory. There's nothing up here. There's nothing until this liquidity on the daily and whatever this next daily wick area at 637.25 or something. We just rejected the halfway point. If we get above that, I believe it's just gonna crush it. Maybe we even make new all-time highs today. If we get above this high, I hold above like 486, then might just get all-time highs today. Like 486.75 to make all-time highs. It's like a shitload of points though, but it's like 400 more points. Yeah.
So if we
The
close
market
above
was good.
if we close above 419, then I'm pretty good till at least 453. Right now we have just swept the 408.50 high.
I think you're good to go here. It's not gonna stop. This is the time of continuation trades of very value gaps, yeah. We'll see. If we get above this, then for sure. Just gotta push a new high here. This leg. Nothing to stop it.
also?
I should have another trade if I didn't. No, I don't want to take, but I should have. I really don't need to try shorts like this. Off of intuition or whatever I had there. I really don't need to do that to make money. I really don't need to do that. Going against overall trend and stuff. I really don't need to do that. Hell, I could even try longs here, to be honest. Looking at it from like an outside perspective right now. Because if you don't have a wick on this candle, you even left the fucking time volume imbalance there, and you never traded into this daily. So like retest to that thing after this candle push up is very valid. Very, very valid. Holding this wick as well as this BDR would be golden traders right now.
394.75 is where I have traded my stop loss.
Probably a good trail.
Probably.
Maybe not. I don't know. But I don't see a world where we come back to your break even before you take like 450 at least. 450 something. I don't see a world. Like maybe we make equal lows here. Or no, not equal lows. Maybe we sweep here, take you out, but
Nah, I moved it back to 374 because it's a very highly likely chance that it would sweep 394 and then like reverse. So I want to give it room to do that. I've still secured like $300. So yeah, let's see.
but you're paper trading right now, right?
Yeah, I'm paper trading.
Okay. I should have just moved my stop down there and take some contracts off, to be honest. That's what I should have done, not getting out of the position, scratching the trade. Because it didn't invalidate shit right there. I just mistakenly placed the wrong stop loss. I'm so mad. Like, I'm gonna lock myself because I feel an itch. I must lock myself because I'm mad and I wanna take good trades.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna happen with this mentality right now. I wanna lock myself now. This is from where I blow accounts. Today is another day. I still have a lot of this account to work with.
That's a lot trading.
It's calling me. I have like 4,100 still. I'm logged. No, not breaking rules. No chance. No chance.
Good thing.
Édesanyám?
Igen, szívem. A takarító az, akivel te tudsz beszélni, az meg tudnád csinálni szerinted a lakást?
Nem hiszem, hogy kiutazna azért Vácra.
Jó, mert most találtam egy takarítócsajt, de 60 000-ért akarja csinálni.
Mennyiért? 60 000?
60 000.
Mikor lehet, hogy az ilyen alapár úgy tűnik? Az ilyen nagy takarításért. Habár az nem kell olyan hügyen nagy takarítás.
Aha.
Vagy igen? Hát mondjuk nem árt.
De kell, mert a fiókokat is ki kell takarítani, a konyhaszekrényt teljesen.
Ja, jogos.
ilyenek. Ez most nem mondja a Lili, hogy jövő hét végén jó a 25 akkor megbeszélem a csajjal ezt. Azt mondja, hogy hamarabb is mehet, oda tudtok menni 25-én.
Az egy durva 60 000-ért.
Sok?
Hát én nem tudom.
Hát figyelj, amikor a VR-ra jöttek, nem tudom mikor, akkor volt 10-12 ezer vagy 15. De az csak ilyen, tudod, porszívózás, meg nem tudom micsoda. Ez meg most ablakmosás, meg minden.
Jó, tudom, hát ott lesz egy jó 6 órát biztos.
Hát igen, 8 órára gondol.
10 000.
Hát takarítani
Hát
kell.
8 óra biztos nem lesz, de 6 körül lesz ez. 5-6 kemény óra. Takarítósdi. Több mint 10 000 per óra, durva.
Mi megcsináljátok ti?
De mikor?
Hát ez a szép igen.
De az a baj, a Tamás, lesz itt minden. Nem tudom mikor.
De oda kell vele menni, tehát el kell, hogy amikor kifizeted, ott kell lenni, tehát nyilván amikor is. De kinyitni a lakás, meg ugye a végén oda menni, hogy mert hogyha ilyen együtt...
Én abban béna vagyok.
A másik meg, hogy a kulcs az milyen kulcs, nem.
I'm back.
What's up?
Nothing.
It started chopping again, by the way.
I can see MNQ is something stupid. I don't know what's happening with MNQ, man. It doesn't have liquidity on the chart, in the order book or something, because these wicks are very, very, very weird. Because usually it's not like this. Okay, it differs like a point or two or something, sometimes on wicks, but not like 10 points. Like 66.50 it went down to, compared to like 86, 10, 20 point difference, bro. I'm even worried trading this chart. Now tomorrow, like tomorrow I might switch to NQ. Not gonna lie. And I'm gonna risk like 400 or 600 or however it's gonna.
400 would be ideal.
Ideal. No. Like NQ, I can't really like take a perfect 500. Why would be 400 ideal? Why 400?
I don't know. It's just lesser than 600. You'll have like 10 trades before you could blow the account. 600 would be like 6 trades.
I wanna risk as close to 500 as possible if I trade NQ and not MNQ. As close to 500 as possible. So if it's like 650 or 200, then I'm gonna choose the 650 over the 200.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's not worth to take a 200 risk trade and make 3R on it, make 600. Then the next trade I take like a 500 because I got like perfect 500 stop out and I get stopped for 1 hour and it almost covers the whole thing, you know. And I'm basically break even that way. It's not cool. Yeah, so I want to do as close to 500 as possible. Usually I take around 10, 20 contracts, 10 to 20 contracts. I can check, but it's something like that. I shouldn't really look at today because today was stupid based on sizing. I kind of want to see yesterday. Is it possible to look at it yesterday?
No.
I don't
On your
understand why.
Lucid you can.
I can do it on Trazilla as well.
And on Tradezilla as well.
I have some time to think about shit.
Hmm.
I made 5,500 and lost 2,000. So profit factor went down to 2.3 from 3.1 or 3 point whatever. Like if I can maintain this 46 to 60% win rate on trades somehow and don't go really lower than this, then I'm still profitable anyway. Yeah. Yes. That's what. That's what.
Seems like I'm still good.
You know, I feel like I messed up. You know where? At first, not trying to get out on this push up with a trail stop. If I'm being honest with you, See? Like, or I don't know, like, should I take these off? Like, I was up a lot on this trade. Look at this. Even on MNQ, like, okay, I couldn't really trail up there at any point, but still, like, where did I get in? I got in there. Yeah, like, dropping the trail. Like, I did give back a lot on this long. And I would like to get into a habit of taking trades off of levels normally. Because you almost always it retests. Almost always. Or maybe like tag trades if they retested some level to get in or not. So like it could have trailed 72.25 on the 15-second. I had this stop loss. So I was up 3R there. And this one was impossible to trail for sure. Like even dropping a trail below this wick, that's not really ideal. It would be unnecessary. You can just leave this for the whole day, brother. Basically, I believe. You can just go sleep, wake up the next day. You here?
Yeah, I'm here. I just want to trail to a certain point.
There's nothing to do. Like, okay, trail, but I don't think there's a reason to trail until we break this 487. There's nothing here. There's just liquidity above at every point. So whatever it's gonna do, it's gonna do.
To 386.75. There are like multiple sweeps already done over there. I don't think it should come all the way back down till there.
Yeah, I guess it's cool. Yeah, probably you don't want to see that. Maybe if you want to trail aggressively, like with these fair value gaps or whatever above 87. If you sweep, but if you really sweep and fail a couple times, then yeah. But if this motherfucker gets above this 87, I really don't see why we can't run to like this 614 level and this daily wick. Maybe hell, even all-time highs. Imagine the liquidity above all-time highs. Like how many stops would be triggered above all-time highs?
God knows.
All the reversal traders and everything, yeah.
Okay, so finally we swept the 930 open high.
I don't think it matters at all. 466 is what you wanna run. Even if it reverses from here and takes out the 430s, it's still fine. Okay, right now you run for that, and probably just run for the next thing, 87, and then we'll see.
Okay, 466 is done.
What is done?
465.
Yeah, it's a clear path to 87. I wouldn't be surprised if it's just non-stop run to that.
I am trading below 430.
430?
Yeah.
That would be a big range, yeah. Maybe a big range bound, something, if you come back there. It's not stopping. It's making this new high, and
Wow.
then you want to be careful, like where you trail, because it might wick down all along, might sweep, or try to do some shenanigans before it continues to new highs. Like I don't know, where would you trail
After
if we just took this
after
high out?
after 483, the next target would be 566.
Where would you trail if the next can, like right now we take out the high, close back below. Where would you trail? Like when, like would you change this trail of 430 at all, or not at all?
Not at the moment. I don't see anything where I could trail.
So if it turns on a dime and V shape, you take this exit and whatever. Like you turn after a sweep. You get above, fail, and you take this.
I
I mean, I
really
guess
don't
there
want
is,
to trail at
yeah,
464 because come on, man, I'm up more than like 100 points over here.
yeah. 464 would make sense. There is no wick on that candle though, right? Or on MNQ at least, there's no wick.
No, no, no. On NQ there is a wick.
Alright. And we make new highs? It's funny. Like, I probably would have been stopped out with this stupid wick, but the idea just played out. I just didn't make money on the idea. And that was the plan of the system to just make money on the ideas or on this on the levels playing out and the liquidity playing out.
Yeah, so probably I will be out at 4.
Why? You did not. Did we run the highs,
No, we did not.
brother?
That is still 1.48 hours. 1 to
Okay,
4,
but it's still,
4.8 hours.
yeah. If you break out, then you make 10. I don't know. Like, are we gonna make equal highs here? That's the question. Like, is it really possible? I don't see it. I would say we're making equal highs if we like came back and broke you even. Like, even if you run like 430, it's not gonna make equal highs. That's still like maybe just a sweep and it V-shapes back out. But it's a paper trade, brother.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter. To be honest, it's just practice. So practice it well.
I'm out.
Okay.
2 points away.
Yeah, I think we get there eventually today.
We
It would
got
be
the
very, it would be very weird to leave those there that high there in this super aggressive trend after sweeping everything on the bottom end that is like in reach. Like we make a bullish OB here and sweep the high or something.
I literally got saved by a tick, bro.
Okay, but the thing is, like, how much are? Where was your entry?
59.50.
Wait, 59.50. Okay, exit. Stop. Stop. 338.
Stop was 33750.
Yes. So you took this 4.7. If you don't take that 4.7, then you gotta be like below these. So you would like give up like 1.6 R, which is a lot.
Nah, bro. I have
Yeah.
like 4.8 hours, 4.6 hours secured.
Oh, here
Okay,
you go.
here I go. Where do I trade it? I
Well,
cannot.
you got out. You didn't get out.
No, I got saved by a tick.
You got saved by a tick. I
By
thought you like.
literally a tick.
Okay. Funny.
So the low was 460.50. My stop was at 460.25.
Why was your stop at 460.25?
Why was it?
Yeah, I don't see like anything. Like you place your stop in the middle of a fair value gap.
Yeah. I want to trail to 468.75, but then there is no wick below.
We can do some bullshit here. Sweep another time, then another time, these lows, and then maybe go. Something like, I don't know, whatever. It's just, I don't see this market stopping out in all-time highs. Maybe we're gonna get some sort of a plays like this. When you could stop out people, just like today's open, we stopped at a couple longs for sure. And trick some people into shorting, and right now they are getting murdered. I don't see this market stopping at all. It's just too bullish. Too goddamn bullish.
So basically, my idea was right. I wanted to see 329 swept first, and then a reversal happening towards the London high, which is exactly what happened.
Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. As soon as this candle pushes above 495, I'll trail down to 476.
Currently, this is just a liquidity sweep, but I don't believe it.
Okay, I'm out.
Yeah, it might reverse here.
Yeah.
Or just go range bound and break it the fuck out. Just like always. In the past 2 weeks. But there's a chance for reversal for sure. Nice trade. You just took it at the perfect spot. I mean, you trailed at the perfect spot.
Yeah.
At least in theory, right? 1 minute sweep,
Because we have been,
big sweep.
what I have been noticing a lot is whenever we try to catch a move, the immediate stop usually, like in current market scenarios, it at least sweeps once or twice, you know, and then like usually the retracement, the continuation happens. So over here I wanted to trail below 394, but then I was
I
like,
don't
no,
see your screen. Wait, I don't see your screen. Why then? Why I don't see your screen?
where I'll share it with you now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to trail below over here, but then like this 3 minute fair value gap was just making me feel like it might retrace a bit. So it swept this. Then I wanted to move my stop over here, but then I was like, this is not good enough of a movement, and there wasn't a very big fair value gap left. So I just kept my stop loss below this over here, which just covered my first loss and a couple of bucks, like 30, 40 bucks. After this, I moved over here and it just expanded like crazy. But it was a good trade. But fuck him in here.
Yeah, we probably make all-time highs in a couple days, or at least today, getting to like this five something. Like there's nothing up
569.
here, bro. It's just going up and up. Above this 487 right now, where we're just are. This is the halfway point between these two high time frame levels. There is this 566 as well. Like nothing to stop this. There is nothing to stop this other than this high right here. If it doesn't stop here, then it's not gonna stop. Same shit as yesterday. It would have been nice to just capitalize on this shit, but oh well. I just did stupid stuff today as well, just in a different way.
Hmm. Anyways, bro, I am stopping the stream.